Today, we're going to talk about 3 things you should look at to show up authentically in your business, especially on social media. And at the end, as a bonus, I am going to give you tips as to how you might want to go about doing that. So stick around to the end. And in the meantime, hello. For those that might not know me, my name is Tara Leske. I have been a business coach and a business strategist for over 10 years. I love working with small businesses and network marketers to help them grow their business in a truly authentic way. You'll notice down in the description below ways that you can connect with me if this really seems to resonate and you want some more information on how you can work with me or learn more about being more authentic in your business and showing up in that way. One of the main things you should do is go over to my Facebook group and join so you can stay connected all the time. Also, another way to stay connected is to subscribe below so you'll be notified every Wednesday when I do drop my newest videos. But let's move on to the actual content today because I really want to go through these 3 things that you should be focusing on to be authentic in your business. Now, these 3 things are critical because as a business owner, there's often times where self-doubt come up. We might be worried about our competition and what they're doing. We might feel like we are not knowledgeable or not good enough at what we're doing compared to others around us. And this authentic piece lets people know, like, and trust you in a way that they absolutely want to work with you. Now, the whole thing to keep in mind is that it doesn't matter if you're the best or not the best. What matters is that you can connect and help that person reach their goal at the end. And the only way that they'll know that you are the right person to work with is if you show up fully and completely authentic to who you are. So let's talk about these 3 things. How do you show up authentically in your business? First of all, you want to really be clear on who you are. So maybe you've already been on a bit of a journey for personal growth and development. Continue that journey. Remember that as you are learning, you are growing. And if you aren't continually learning, if you aren't continually doing that or trying new things and expanding who you are right now, it means that you're not pushing yourself to grow fast, right? And it's okay to have some downtime because we all need to breathe. We all need to have that self-care, but continue to learn and develop who you are so that you can show up in this way that really is quite meaningful for you and for your potential client. Turning those followers into a customer and then into the long-term client that wants to rave about you is the thing you really want to do. So dig in further with that personal development. Figure out exactly who you are and the legacy you want to leave in this world. Not your business, but you. What do you want to do for yourself, for your family, all that kind of stuff? The second thing you want to look into is who is that ideal client? What do they represent? What are they looking to achieve? Now, we can dig in deeper with this in some of the programs that I run, like the Authentic Posting Strategies program. It is designed to help really dig into the authentic you, into all 3 of these steps so that you can develop it in a way and then learn the posting strategies to help get noticed in front of your crowd. The reason this is important is because that authentically you piece of the program really helps to mold what you want to give to your followers that will help you grow and know that you're working with the people who are the right fit for you and that you'll be the right fit for them. As you really evaluate who that ideal client is, you are going to be able to start developing the message that you're going to want to share to connect with them and help them with whatever they need their help with. Lastly, the thing we want to look at is, what does your business represent? What is it that you really want your business to achieve? What kind of message, what kind of tone, what kind of branding, what kind of you is coming through in your business, and how are you going to connect it to that client? So I promised you a bonus at the end. Bonus time! Let's talk about this bonus. What is something more that you can do to show up authentically? I want you to start thinking about, how do you talk to somebody in real life? If you weren't on social media, how would you be talking to someone face to face? Because if you can start portraying yourself in this way that is natural, like you see me here and I'm silly, I'm making the bonus faces, I'm moving my hands a lot. You see me kind of throwing energy around. You see the real me. Why do I show you the real me? Because then you know who I am. You get a better sense of who I am and you get a better feel. Now, if I'm very rigid and to the fact, and this is this, and this is step 1, and this is step 2, and this is step 3, That's awesome, depending on what you want to look at. But I add a little extra flair, and that little extra flair might not resonate with someone, but might truly resonate with someone else. So really start looking at how you hold conversations with other people. What kind of behaviors do you do? What kind of body language do you have? And start incorporating that, especially if you are doing live videos. Check out the link up here so you can get more comfortable with going live or starting your own YouTube channel. Subscribe so you don't miss me. I am here every single Wednesday with a new video for you. And don't forget to hit that bell up at the top. We'll see you next week. Bye.